family's long and determined search to find Michelle was over. But their goal, no matter how remote, was always to bring her home alive. That she was found dead was a blow that took them to their knees.
That was one of the very few times I think I really let myself cry. Part of me was relieved that it's over, that we had found her, we had brought her home, and then a majority of me was very angry. And wow, it just felt hollow.
Now there was one thing left to do, to make sure Michelle got justice. But that, it turned out, was not going to be so easy. Coming up,
Giselle on trial, and her defense strategy surprises everyone.
I think that if you're going to defend against the
Mm-hmm.
indefensible, you have
I
to
do.
find a better way of doing it than to vilify the victim.
Would it work? When Dateline continues.
Oh, water's better tasting, it's better for the planet.
That's great, sir. Can I take your order?
Oh, number 3. At Culligan, we get that most people don't think about water like we do, and that's okay. You see, when we install our drinking water and softening systems, we're thinking about filtering contaminants and minerals that make water hard. So you can just think about softer, cleaner, and better tasting water. At Culligan, we think about your water, so you don't have to.
Get a free basic water analysis. Visit getculligan.com today.